Hey, you didn't know? Here we go. Like and subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment below. Do you make money online? Do you want to make money online? This channel is all about making money online. In 2010, I lost my job, and up until that point, I was a hustler. I did all kinds of side work. I painted houses. I delivered papers. I did all kinds of repairs. I did lawn work. You name it, I did it. Whatever. 2 and 3 jobs, part-time jobs, full-time jobs. I did it all. Okay, whatever it took to pay the bills. But when I lost a job in 2010, I was just like caught between a rock and a hard place. I didn't even realize people could really make money online. I thought only rich people and established companies made money online. But then I found some YouTube videos. I took some YouTube courses. I took some video courses, and I learned how to do some affiliate marketing. It's amazing. I had to learn about sales funnels and email marketing and landing pages, conversion rates, all kinds of percentages and different ways to make money online, affiliate marketing, different products, recurring commissions. All of these things seem difficult to a new person, but if you're confused and you're interested in learning about affiliate marketing, I have a free course. It's 5 quick videos, takes about an hour to run through. It'll give you everything you need to know to start affiliate marketing. By the end of it, you'll be able to start an affiliate marketing sales funnel campaign. I also give you a link to a free trial for the software that I use. Again, you don't have to use that software. Every software works. Okay, it depends on what you pay for it, and different things have different pros and cons. But basically, they all do the same thing. They give you a landing page. They make you conversions. Every email marketing software does the same thing. Gives you the capacity to send email marketing and to retarget people. I use Builderall. It's all wrapped up into one price. I don't have to get the email marketing from over here and the landing page from over here and apps from my website over here. It has 30 tools. Over 30 tools to make money online. Builderall does, and I'm an affiliate. If you join under me, because you join under me, and I'm an affiliate marketer for Builderall. It's to my best interest to teach you how to use Builderall and to get you on the right path, because I won't make money if you're not happy with it and you're not making money with it. But of course, if you're an affiliate marketer, you need tools like this to make money, and you also need someone to help you. So subscribe to the channel. I go over all the ways to make money with Builderall, all the ways to make money online. Leave a comment below if you have any questions, different things you want to do, and hopefully we can work together, and I can get you started. Again, take the free course for affiliate marketing, and then if you want to use Builderall, if you don't have software already, if you're a new affiliate marketer, and if you're afraid about landing pages and building these things and don't be, because I show you how to do it in 15 minutes, and it's very simple stuff. It's all copy, cut and paste, drag and drop. Easy stuff, okay, template type stuff. And once you get good at the templates, you won't need them anymore. You'll be a web designer, your website designer yourself. Okay, so join me. Come right now. Subscribe to the channel. Join me on Builderall. Take the 14-day free trial for Builderall, and take the free affiliate marketing course. Okay, so do that now, and we'll be on the way. All right, come on.